Ciao, amore. It's me, Mila Martinico, and you are again in my kitchen for a little episode of At Home with Mama Mila. So, I am a wife, a mother. I have a restaurant here in Columbia, Tennessee, and I'm gonna just show you a little something that we make as a family here at home. So, Easter's coming up. I asked my aunt for a Easter cookie recipe. So all the way from Italy, I am bringing you an Chewy Amaretti style cookie. Now listen, okay? I don't know about you, but I'm one of those girls that takes their chocolate chip cookies out of the oven a little before it's done because I like that doughiness. This is the Italian version of that. Now, I might get some hate mail, but we'll see if my aunt likes me after you see my little secret ingredient I added to these cookies. Let's start off with 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar. I am going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour to that. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I like a big pinch. And now we are going to add the zest of an orange. This is my secret ingredient. I love the way that orange and almond goes together. This is taking forever, but that's okay. Now I'm going to mix that together. I actually think I'm gonna switch over and use a fork because there's a little bit of clumps in there. Okay, I'm gonna make a little well. And I have 2 egg whites right here. Pour those in. And to those egg whites, I'm going to add a 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract and a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using vanilla bean paste. Get all that goodness off of there. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this up. Now it's gonna take a second, but it is going to form a dough. You just need to put a little work into it. This looks like it's all together now. Let's roll them and dip them in sugar. So I have a medium-sized cookie scoop. I'm just gonna scoop, roll, then we're gonna roll them around in powdered sugar, and then I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna flatten it out just a little bit because these don't rise and they don't spread, just like that. And then I'm gonna place them about 1 inch apart on a cookie sheet that is lined with parchment paper. Okay, we're gonna throw these in a preheated oven. It is at 350 degrees. We are going to do it for exactly 13 minutes. She said no more, no less. And we're listening. All right, our cookies are out. They're supposed to sit for 5 minutes, but we're just a little shy of 5 minutes. They are beautiful. Oh, they look amazing. They're a tiny bit golden brown. Let's try it. I took a big bite. It's hot. Yes, I just shoved more in there. Oh my God. It's a little doughy, but all the outside has a little crisp to it. It's perfect. It's like a doughy Amaretti cookie. I'm telling you, this is perfect for your Easter table, or if you're being told to bring something for the potluck, you need a little bit of Mila at that table. I'll see you next time. Ciao, tanti baci.